Hi there, this is Fixed It. Happy New Year to everybody. And here's the Christmas nightmare. Beautiful jigsaw. Absolutely fantastic. Took several days to do. Absolutely fantastic. There's one piece missing. Been very careful, but did it go on a sleeve? Did it go on the floor? I'm going to have to turn the place upside down tomorrow and find out. Anyway, literally the New Year's about to start in 20 minutes. So I'm going to get myself a drink and go sit with the wife and wait for New Year to come in. What a bugger, such a good jigsaw, so difficult, and one piece missing. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, check out my other 500 and something helpful tips and otherwise, and happy 2023 to everyone. Thanks for watching, bye.